Hi, I'm Christian Payne.
Hi, and I'm Angela Mehilas from Gibson Partners Real Estate at Cronulla, and welcome to 7 Uralba Avenue, Caringbah South. A beautifully fully renovated family home boasting 4 bedrooms, 3 well-appointed bathrooms, multiple living zones and the ultimate north-facing backyard, complete with a stunning saltwater pool.
Come on, let's go take a look. What a great family home. Nothing to do, just move straight on in and enjoy the lifestyle. 7 Uralba Avenue, Caringbah South.
We look forward to seeing you at our next open home.